All right, aspiring Arizona agents, let's break down the legal blueprint for your career.
First things first, let's tackle a huge question. Can you legally write a contract in Arizona?
The answer is a huge yes, but this was a right one in a pretty dramatic legal battle.
To really get it, you have to understand the 4 legal pillars holding this whole thing up.
Here they are, from the state constitution right down to the decisions made in courtrooms.
At the very top, you have constitutional law. This is the big one, the supreme law of the state.
Then there's statutory law. These are the specific laws passed by the Arizona state legislature.
Next up, administrative law. Think of this as the how-to guide written by state agencies.
And finally, case law. This is where judges' decisions clarify what the law means in the real world.
So how do these pillars work together? Well, a major case tells the whole story.
Get this. Back in 1961, a court ruling actually banned agents from writing contracts. Imagine the chaos.
But the public and the real estate industry fought back, taking the issue straight to the voters.
And boom, the people voted to amend the Constitution itself, creating Article 26 and securing your right.
Now here's the catch, and it's a big one. This right only applies when you're representing a client.
Okay, with that foundational right set, let's get into the day-to-day rules of the road.
A simple way to think about it is this. Statutes tell you what to do. Rules tell you how.
And these specific chapters and titles? Yeah, that's literally a rule book, so you gotta know them.
But the market moves fast, right? What happens when the written rules don't cover something new?
That's where something called a substantive policy statement, or SPS, comes into play for guidance.
Now listen, this is key. An SPS is guidance, not binding law. It just clarifies the agency's stance.
And this just goes to show, the legal blueprint isn't set in stone. It's a living, evolving system.
Remember case law? Decisions from higher courts create binding precedents, but even those can be overturned.
So, this framework is your foundation, but the law is always changing. The real question is, what's next?